is Preston. We're from Swan River, Manitoba, Canada, and welcome to A Better Life with FlyLady Kat.
Hello, it's me, FlyLady Kat, and today I'm here to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. As you can see by the fantastic intro, Irene and Preston were down from Manitoba, Canada, visiting Florida, visiting friends, having a little vacation. And Irene let me know that she and Preston would be in the Jacksonville, Florida area. And Mr. B and I met Preston and Irene for lunch, and it was such a thrill. We really enjoyed visiting with the both of you. I want to say a special hello to Matthew. Hi, Matthew. Matthew wasn't with them, but we wanted to tell Matthew hello. That's their son. And thank you for the little gifts. That was so unexpected. You guys are so sweet. We really enjoyed talking to you about your beautiful country. And Irene, I enjoyed talking to you about your home and the challenges that you have, and you're doing great. All right, so here's what today is. Tuesday. So our first layer of our 3-layer cake, our first layer of the cake is routines. So we always want to get up early, Irene. We want to get up early and do our morning routine. And then after the morning routine, then you can put your family through their routine if you have little ones or you have pets or anything you need to take care of. Then after that, we go to our second layer of our cake. The second layer is the basic weekly plan. Now, if you're working either at home like Irene does or in an office away from the home, then you're done. You're going to go ahead and stop and start your work and be all business. Then when you're done with that, if you can be done, if you have a lunch or break, which you will have, then if you're away from the house, you're going to think about what's happening. So think about that basic weekly plan. If you didn't finish it, then think about who you can delegate it to, or if you'll be doing it yourself in little bits during the week or on Saturday. So when you get home today, you might want to do that. Also, we're in zone 4. Normally, if you're on Tuesday, I don't give you zone work. However, if you are not going to be able to get it all done during the week, you might want to take care of some of it on Tuesday anyway to help you on Saturday, so you won't have a lot to do. Now, if you're at home like Irene, you could probably want to run a load of laundry. You just don't want to really take away from your work, because work is important. And if you're working from home, you're working. Okay, then after work, you're going to come home, start your laundry, do 1 inch of your paper, and while you fix dinner, and then while dinner is holding or simmering, you have 25 or 30 minutes there that you can work on one of the 10-minute items for the basic weekly plan and your zone. Your zone can take up to 15 minutes, depending on if you're decluttering or you're just working on cleaning one particular thing. All right, that's it. Zone 4 is the master bedroom, master bathroom, master closet, if I didn't already say that. Now, if you're at home, Tuesday for you is a free day. So all you're going to do is your routines today. So after dinner, when everybody is done eating, both at home and payroll fly babies or lions. By the way, I'm still getting lots of great suggestions on the name, what the name stands for, lions, L-I-O-N-S. I've got one I think I really like, but we're going to keep going because I keep getting them, and until I stop getting them, I won't make a final decision. I may put them out there for you to decide. Your call. All right. After dinner, we're going to do the after dinner routine. That involves cleaning off the table if you eat at the table, under the table, the floor, the counters, the stove, the sink, the dishes. If you have a large family, you can split that up because that's too much work for one person. If it's just you and your husband, the two of you can get it done really quick. Right, Preston? Okay, that's it for today. Yeah, that's it for today. That's all. So I want you to have a fabulous day. I'm so glad that Preston and Irene got to come down and visit with me. If you're ever in the Jacksonville, Florida area, please let me know. I would love to meet you for lunch if at all possible, and have you do an intro if it's something you're interested in doing. If I'm in your area, I'll let you know. I'll be traveling at some time, and when I am, let me know, and I'll be happy to meet with you. Maybe there'll be several of you, and have lunch together. Maybe a couple of you can do intros for me if you're interested. I think that would be awesome. Have a fabulous day, and always remember that you are beautiful. Bye. Thank you.